Hi guys, so let me show you techniques to achieve beautiful round gele. The first thing is to know the measurements. So you first grab your material and divide it into 50-50. You know when you want to tie your round gele, it will always be in 70-30. So when you share into 50-50, the 50-50 you fold all of them again to give you 25-25. That will be in 4 places. Release your hand for one to achieve 50 again. So you have the other one left, which is going to be 25-25. So pick 125 out. You join another 25 with that 50, which will give you 75. And you have in the other part 25. So from that 25, use your hand to measure 5, just the way I've done in the video, and add it to that 25, and that will give you 30. That is the first technique. Yeah, if you have achieved that, that is, you have gotten your 70 and you have gotten your 30. The next thing for you to do is to make your foundational pleat. Make sure you demarcate that 70 and 30 and make your pleat from there. So you make your base pleats, like 3 or 4 pleats, and make sure after you make it, you arrange them to the level, to the back of your ear. Okay, make sure you follow that rules. So you arrange it to the back of your head the way it is being shown in this video. And now the next thing is to take that to the back, guys. Take it to the back. Make sure that the shorter part goes up. Please note this, if you are not following these steps, you might likely not achieve a beautiful round gele. The shorter part goes up when you want to cross it, while the longer part comes down. Then you make one pleat and place it on the previous pleat you have made. Like shift it a bit backward, and you place it on that. After you must have done that, then watch my hand closely and see what I'm going to be doing again. I'm going to make like other pleats, like 3 or 4 pleats again. Watch my hand and see how I'm making it. Make sure when you are making your pleats, pick from the middle side, yeah, with your thumb, or whichever way it is convenient. Some people might use other part of their finger, but I use my thumb to pick it up from the middle, and I make sure I arrange to both left and right. Take it down here and down there before you make another one. So guys, just listen, concentrate. When you want to make round gele, if you are able to make round gele, you can make any other gele styles. Yes, so round gele really need patience, and we have what you call techniques there. If you have followed the steps, yeah, you're going to have a beautiful outcome for round gele. So I'm making, when you are at this level, you can actually, as a beginner, you can make like 4 pleats to start with before you take it to the back and knots. So for this video, I think I made like 4 pleats. You can see how I'm making it, picking it from the middle, arranging to the left and arranging to the right. Yeah, so that's how you're going to do it. So I made 4 pleats, and you can see I'm going to be taking it to the back here. Yes, look at that. I'm going to be picking up that shorter part here from the middle like that, press it down and use it to knot the longer part which you have made the pleat with. So you knot it. You will know if you are making a mistake right when you are knotting it, because this must fall at the middle, at the back. If it is sideways, something is wrong with your measurement. So when you knot it at the back, come back to the front, pull it out from the right, and you pull from the left so that you have excess to work with. Yes. Okay guys, yeah, I've pulled both edges, so I'm still working with the excess, trying to make my pleats. So I come back to the middle, make the pleat from the middle, arrange to right, and you arrange to left. Yes, make sure they are well aligned. Try your best. It's not easy to make round gele on your head like yourself, but it's what you can achieve if you are really focused, like you really want to do it, and you have followed the steps in making it. So it's very possible to achieve it, though it might be just a bit time consuming, like 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Yes, but you can do it if you are following the steps. Okay guys, so I'm just trying to make that pleat. You can see how I made it. The pleat is already formed. Yeah, So here I'll arrange the pleats down, pick it down, pick it down, pick it down, and pick it down till the fabric ends. Okay, so you come to the back, you lose one, I tighten it twice, so you lose it, you pick that excess from the side, put it there and knot it again to secure it. Then you knot very well the excess. You have that middle that is up, that is not looking good, use it to cover it, close it up, and use your office pin to tack it down. Yeah, then you come back to the front and you make some adjustments where you feel you should touch it, and make sure the both sides look alike. Try as much as possible to make them look alike. That's what I'm doing here. Make them look alike, and boom, I'm done, guys. This is the outcome. Do like, share, comment, and follow for more air drop, guys.